Hi guys, I'm Christina. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. If you guys have not caught up on the past 2 Vlogmases, I will leave them linked down below. So today is very exciting and a little bit different than my past 2 Vlogmases. So today I'm going to a Christmas show with my mom. Super excited. I have no idea what to expect. I've never been to anything like this before, but I thought it would be cool for me to experience, for you guys to experience. That's what's so fun about Vlogmas. Whatever's Christmassy, I just take you guys along with me. So I just got ready. I put on some winged eyeliner today. The rest of my makeup is pretty much the same, except I have a little bit of glow because, you know, Christmas time and it's finally snowed outside, so when it's snowy, the light reflects and pops that highlight. I know I'm super extra, but anyways, I'm just wearing like a little turtleneck, some jeans. Pretty chilly out, pretty snowy out. It's officially starting to feel like winter time, which is crazy. But anyways, I'm gonna go downstairs, get all layered up, and then we will head to the Christmas show.